In this lecture, we are going to talk about Varargs. So first of all, the Vararg is a short form for variable arguments. It allows a method to accept 0 or multiple arguments, and it stores these arguments using an array under the hood. So we can define variable arguments with the help of 3 dots. So for example, we have this example method that's going to take an integer as an argument, and because we use 3 dots, it represents variable arguments. That tells the compiler that we use Varargs, and these arguments will be stored in an array called X. So this X array may contain several variables, and this is the powerful feature of variable arguments, that if we want to use this method with just a single variable, we can do it without any issue. If we want to use 5 parameters, then it is going to work fine as well. So this is the powerful feature of variable arguments. We can call the example method with no arguments at all. We can call example method with a single argument. We can call example method with 4 values. So because of the 3 dots or variable arguments, we can call our example method with an arbitrary number of arguments. Don't forget that Varargs are arrays, so we need to work with them just like we would work with a normal array. In this example, we have defined the data type of X as an integer, so this array is going to store integers. We are not able to define strings as parameters or floating point numbers. We have to use the data type we have defined here. The number of arguments can be found out using the x.length method, so basically we can handle X as a one-dimensional array. While using Varargs, you must follow some rules, otherwise the program code won't compile. So first of all, we can use several parameters. So for example, we have a string, we have a floating point number, and we have one or more integer values. What's crucial is that we have to make sure that this variable argument is going to be the last parameter of the method. So Varargs parameter should be written last in the parameter list of the method declaration. So for example, if we define Vararg at the beginning of the method, it is not going to compile, which means that there's going to be a compile time error. Another important fact that each method can have only one Vararg parameter, so we are not able to use a Vararg for a string and another Vararg for an integer. We have to make sure that a given method may have just a single variable argument. So these are the rules we have to follow. In the next lecture, we are going to take a look at concrete examples. Thanks for watching.